Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to continue with our second lesson, Day 2, JavaScript Data Types, Part 1. Yes, this is Part 1. So in JavaScript, you might hear about many data types, which is similar to the data types presented in the other languages such as string, number, boolean. So those are some of the data types which is already present in other programming languages too, so you might be familiar. But there are other data types too, like big int, undefined, null, symbol, object, those kind of things. So we are going to cover few data types in this part one. So the first data type we are going to cover is string. So what is the meaning of string data type and when we will be using that particular data type? Let's see. So if you want to store some name, for example, JavaScript. So those kind of names or words, if you want to store as a string value, then we have to use the data type string. For example, if you want to store this last name, certification, number as the string, or flag value as the string, true or false, then we have to go for the string data type. So how to use strings? There are three ways to use strings. The first one is you can use single quote, and second one is double quote, and third one is backtick. So you might be familiar with the single quote and double quote, but not the third one. So the third one has a special use case. So I will explain when to use which one. Okay. So let's see how to declare a string and how to use this particular data types. So the first data type we are learning is string. So we can give var keyword and name equals. As I said, you can use single quotes or double quotes. I just use double quotes, JavaScript. And another example is var number equals 45. So I'm giving number inside this double quotes. Then it is considered as the string, not a number. Okay. Everything within a quotes, it is string. Where flag equals true. So true generally we will call it as a boolean, right? True or false we will call it as boolean. But here it is mentioned within the double quotes, then it is called string. So how we can find whether this is string or number or boolean? That is the easy way to find it. Just type of keyword and then the variable name. I just want to find whether the variable number is really a number or string. Okay, so as I said, this is string because it is enclosed with the double quotes. So as I said, there are three different ways. We have tried the first way, that is double quotes. We can also try the single quotes. Um, Message equals hello. So this is done by using single quotes, and the final one is by using backtick. House number equals. So you can use backtick. Yeah, this is also considered as a string. So there are three ways to define a string by using double quotes, single quotes, and backtick. Let's get back to our slide. So as I said, when will we have to use the backtick? To join together strings in JavaScript, you can use different type of string called a template return. Yeah, if you want to just merge two different strings together, then you have to use backtick. So here there's a name Chris, and here there is a string already presented over there, hello. So I just want to place this name over here. So how shall we merge two different strings together? So here we can use backtick. Then it will just get the name value here and apply it, and then just print the two strings together using the backtick. And here there is a speciality of backtick is it will just print exactly in the same format. If there is any space, it will consider the space and leaves the space between two different strings. But in case the other concatenation operator such as plus, if you use that, it will not consider the space explicitly. You have to just put the space explicitly, then it will consider it. So let's try this example. Concatenation using backtick says that can use where player name equals Virat, and then I'm going to print some greeting. I want to merge the player name with this greeting. Okay, then we can give like backtick hello, and then we have to dynamically pass this player name, right? For this, what we have to do, we have to give this dollar symbol and then this open bracket braces and then this player name. Just close it and then close with the backtick. That's it. Then we can see the output here. Greeting. Sorry. Yeah. So now we got the output hello Virat with these spaces, right? So this is why backtick is used instead of using single quotes or double quotes. And of course, we can use plus to concatenate two different strings. Let's see how we are using this plus symbol as a concatenation. The same thing, but where message equals. So here we have to use the plus symbol, right? So hello, and then we have to explicitly leave some space between the strings. Then only it will take into account the output. So here we need the player name, right? So I'm going to type this player name. So now let's print the message. Hello world. Yeah, we got the output. So here I have to explicitly mention the space, but in case if you use backtick, no need to explicitly mention the space. So that's the difference between the backtick and this plus operator for the concatenation. Okay, so the next topic is escape characters. So you might come across the same topic again and again in many programming languages. If you want to mention the single quote, then you have to put backslash single quote. Likewise for the double quote, backslash double quote. For the backslash, you have to mention twice. So why we have to do this? Why we have to mention this backslash? I will first explain the problem, then we can come into the solution. Okay, we are going to see about escape characters in JavaScript. So when we will encounter this problem, let's say where text equals. So I just want to say hello and my name within the double quotes like this. Okay, hello and my name should be in the double quotes. So I'm just writing like this. We are getting some error, right? We cannot mention the double quotes within the particular string because the surrounding quotes are also the double quotes, and inside the sentence it is also has some double quotes, right? So we have to just help the parser to identify this is the sentence and this ends here, because if you see our double quote starts here and double quotes ends here, then our parser might think okay it is starting from here and it got ended here, then it will just avoid the remaining sentence. That's why we are getting the error, unexpected token error. Okay, let's see how to fix it. So to fix it, I'm going to write as hello, the same thing, but how to mention this double quotes? So here If you want to use the double quotes, you have to put the backslash and then this double quote. Okay, so backslash and then double quote, just mentioning my name. Again, I need double quote, so backslash double quote. Now let's print text one. Yeah, so as we expected, my name is printed within the double quotes. So here there might be a misunderstanding, like whenever we have to use the single quotes or double quotes, we have to use this backslash. That is not true. So this is based upon the surrounding quotes. For example, if your surrounding quotes is also double quotes and you are also expecting the word to be surrounded with the double quotes, then you have to use the escape character. Otherwise, if the surrounding quotes is single quote, but you have to get the word within the double quotes, then there's no usage, like you have to use the escape characters. Example, text 1, 2. So here, if you want to enclose my name within single quotes like this, then there's no need to use the escape character because the surrounding quotes is different, that is double quotes, and my name is with the different single quotes, right? So the parser can easily compile it. There will not be any kind of error. Let's see. Perfect. So we got the output. There's no error. So you should, as a developer, you should know when to use the escape characters. You should not say like, okay, here there is a code, then I have to use backslash. That is wrong. When to use backslash? If the surrounding codes is different from your particular code, then you have to use the backslash. I hope you're clear. Okay, so next one is, this is the same example I already explained to you. So you can use quotes inside the string as long as they do not match the code surrounding the string. This is what I explained to you. So we saw about the most important data type in JavaScript, that is string. I hope you're clear about this. So next video is all about number data type and also Boolean data type. Let's see in our other video with some of the exam moral questions. Thank you.